Watermelon Mojito. You heard me, Watermelon Mojito. And you can make it with rum or without it. So go nowhere, let's create. So the first thing you're going to do, you're going to blend the watermelons. So the first thing you're going to do, you're going to add some of the meat. 3 or 4 cubes of ice. Some Don-Q, Cristal, or whatever light rum you want to add. I like to add a lime inside. A little bit of cut melons. I'm going to add some now. Some of my watermelon. Mint. A little bit more. Here you have it.